Hi everyone, I'm Elena, manager of Enitech. Today I'm going to talk about Enitech's unique things. We are particular about two things. Number one is minimum removing parts and using cutter. We try to avoid any leaks as much as we can. Why we can do it? I'm going to show you the reason. We use Enitech's custom data. So normally we can use XPEL Stealth and placard film, but with regular data, you can see lines and cover small area. So some shops say one piece is a good thing. One piece means you cut a big piece of film, then overstretch the film, install, then cut all edges. People say that it's good on YouTube or social media, but I told you, overstretch and make film thin. So that's why we use original data. It means extend the edges a little bit of regular data, then wrap edges and no lines. Like you can see here, normally with regular data, you can see lines on the top, but we tagged edges into the panel so you can't see lines. Here too, almost it's impossible to see lines. And the headlights too. We don't use cutter, but still it's a perfect fit for body. And now let's see plus of custom data for you. It makes maintenance easy for you. No stuck dust in the edges, it's good. And also if you can take your car to automatic car wash. With regular data, you can see lines on top, and if you put the car to the automatic car wash, the edges can pop up, so you can't use automatic car wash. And not overstretch, as I told you, and keep thickness following paint protection film manufacturer designs, so not too much thin. And minimum taking of parts. Taking off parts is a kind of risky for breaking clips or any parts. And also, when you wanted to sell your car, it's easy to removing film without taking any parts. So you can do it, or dealers can do it too. Also, if you want to do one piece, we of course can do it. We sometimes do it for old cars, which doesn't have any data. And also for people or for customers who want to wrap perfectly, we can do it too. So you can contact to us to talk about more. You can check a video of Ferrari 328 to know about one of